Hello everyone, welcome to Study for Knowledge Institute. In today's video, I am going to discuss Chapter 5 of Arithmetic Progression, that is Chapter 5 of Class 10th Mathematics. And in this video, I am going to discuss MCQs of Exemplar, which is published by NCERT only. So let's discuss this. Okay. So this is me. So you can pause and read. So the first sample question that we have is, let's see. So the 10th term of the AP. So this is the AP that is given to you. So this is asking 10th term. So to find out the term of a sequence, what you write, formula an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, right? Here an value, that is a10 they are asking. So you know the value of n, right? a1 plus 10 minus 1 into d. Let's see a1 and d value. a1 is the first term, that is 5, right? 5 plus 9 times d. What is the d? Difference between two consecutive terms, like a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, like that. So what is the difference here? 3. So difference is 3. So 5 plus 27, that will give you 32. So answer will be 32. So 10th term of the AP will be 32. Now next sample question that we have is, in an AP, if a is equal to this, difference is equal to this, an is equal to this, they are asking for n value, right? So just substitute it in this formula that you are aware of. An is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times t. You know an, right? 7.2. You know a, like a is nothing but first term, so negative 7.2 plus n minus 1. What is the difference? 3.6. okay, so if you transfer this negative 7.2 to this side, that will make it 14.4, right? N minus 1, 3.6. so if you see, these two are in multiplication, so you can divide this to the other side. You can have n minus 1, 14.4 over 3.6, right? So decimal get cancelled, and this will be, I think, 4 times here. So n minus 1 value you got is 4. So n value will be 4. Okay, you can simplify like I did and directly because I know, but if you don't know, you can simplify 2 times 18, 2 times 72. If you know the table of 18, you directly know it is 4 times, right? So answer is, sorry, my bad, here n minus 1 is 4, but n minus 1 will be 5, right? So answer will be 5. Okay, so now we are doing the MCQs exercises, that is exercise 5.1. so in an AP, so it is already given, it is in AP. So d is given, n is given, an is given, has been asked. So formula is a n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This has been asked, that is a1. So a basically first term sometimes represented by a, or a1 just to denote it is the first term. Okay, so you know every value, like you know an is 4, a1 you don't know, let's put it as a, plus n is 7, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 will give you 6. okay, and d value is given to you as minus 4. So 4 is equal to a plus 6 times minus 4, that will give you a minus 24. If you transfer this minus 24 to this side, you will get a value as 28. 4 plus 24 will be 28. Answer is D. Okay, let's do the next question. Question number 2. In an AP, so this is an AP. Okay, A is given, D is given, N is given. They have asked for AN, right? So you know the formula of AN. AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Here we know the value of N. So A101 will be, A1 you know is 3.5, and you know is 101. 101 minus 1 will be 100 times D value is 0. So 0 times 100 will be 0. So 3.5 plus 0 will be 3.5. So answer will be B only. Okay, let's move to the next one. the list of numbers, that is -10, -6, -2, 2, like this. It is an AP or not? Let's check. -6 minus of -10. This will give me negative plus 10 is equal to 4. -2 of -6 will give me 4. 2 of -2 will give me 4. So difference is coming out to be constant, and that is 4. So it is an AP with D is equal to 4. So answer is B. Okay, let's do the next question. 11th term of the AP. So A is given to you, that is -5. Let's see the difference. So difference of here, here and here will be constant. So let's calculate this difference basically. Okay, this comma is extra, it's okay. 5 by 2 minus 0, that is 5 by 2 only. So this is the difference you will have in this. So you know this. So A11th has been asked, A11. So A1 plus 11 minus 1 into D, right? A1 you know, -5 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So this will give you -5 plus 25, that is 20, right? So A11 is 20. So answer is B. Okay, this is a progressive term, so obviously the answer will be in positive only. The first 4 term of an AP whose first term is this, common difference is this. Okay, so A1 is given to you, -2. A2 will be A1 plus n minus 1 into D, that is A1 plus 1D, that is n is 2, so 2 minus 1 will be 1, so D. So that will be -2 minus 2, that will be -4. A3 will be A1 plus 2D, that will be -2 minus 2 times 2, that is -6. A4 will be A1 plus, like how I am writing this, let's understand this, A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So A1 plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is A1 plus 3D. Okay, so A1 you know is -2 plus 3 times -2 will give you -8. So the number should be -2, -4, -6, -8. So answer is C. Okay, let's do the next question. The 21st term of the AP whose first 2 terms are this and this is. Okay, so first 2 terms are given. So A value is given to you as -3. Okay, A1 and A2 value is given to you as 4. So A2 minus A1 is nothing but the difference. So we know the difference. 4 minus of -3 will give me 7, right? A21 will be A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So A1 will be -3 plus 20 into 7, that is -3 plus 140, that is 137. Okay, so answer is B. Let's do the next question. If the second term of an AP is 3, so second term is given to you, that is A2 is given to you as 13. But if you know the formula, you will just simply write A1 plus 2 minus 1 into D, right? So you will be writing 13 is equal to A1 plus D, right? So the first equation is this. Now the second equation is given to you as 5th term, so A5. So what is A5? A5 is 25. You know the formula of A5, A plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is like A plus 4D. A plus 4D is equal to 25. So you got second equation. You got 2 unknown, 2 equation. You can easily solve for this. So let's write this together. A plus 4D is equal to 25. A plus D is equal to 13. I can write A1 and A simultaneously, no problem in this. Minus, 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 we cancel out. We use the elimination technique here. So 3D is equal to 12. D value will be 4, right? So we got 4. Put it here. You will get A plus 16 is equal to 25. Value of A will be 9. Now you got A value, you got D value. You have to find 7th term. So what is 7th term? A7, right? A7 is A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into D, right? So A is 9 plus 6 into 4, that is 9 plus 24 is nothing but 33. Okay, so answer is B. Let's do the next question. Which term of the AP is, okay, this is an AP and 210, so they're asking for which term it is. So a, basically n value they are asking. An is given, a is given, n is not given, and d is given. So let's do this. An is given to you as 210 equal to a value is 21 plus n value is not given and difference is given, so difference will be, I think, 21. Yeah, 42 minus 21 is 21, so 21. So 210 is equal to 21 plus 21 n minus 21, this get cancelled. So 21 n is equal to 210, so this will get cancelled by 10 times, so value of n is nothing but 10 only. Okay, so answer is this 210 is 10th term. Let's do the next question. The common difference of an AP is 5. So D is given to you as 5. Okay, now they have asked you about A18 minus A13. What is A18? A18 is nothing but A plus 18 minus 1 into D, right? That is A plus 17D. Similarly, we will get A13 as A plus 12D. So they are asking for A18 minus A13. That is A plus 17D minus A plus 12D, right? So A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. So this get cancelled. This will be 5D, right? Okay, 5D is what? Difference is given to you as 5. So this will be 25. Okay, let's do the next question. What is the common difference of an AP whose value is this? Okay, so we know this, right? We know A18. We just did the same problem in the previous one. Just see, we have written A18 as A plus 17D. Similarly, we can use the same concept here. A plus 17D minus A plus 13D, right, is equal to 32 is given to you. So A will get cancelled. Let's simplify this further. Minus A minus 13D is equal to 32. A and A get cancelled. 17D minus 13D is 4D is equal to 32. D is equal to 8, right? So they are asking for difference. We have the difference. So answer is A. Okay. Now question number 11. Two AP have the same common difference. So there is two AP. Like let's say this is an AP which has first term and last difference, and this is another AP which has, like, let's take this A1 D1 A2 D2. They are saying they have the same common difference. So this D2 is not different. They are like same. So this is basically D and D. Okay. Now they are saying that the first term of the one of these is minus 1 and the other is minus 8. So A1 value in the first one is, let's say, minus 1, and A, like the first, do not understand this A2 as like the, okay, instead of A2 let's take B1. Okay, so there will be no confusion whether this is the first term or second term. So you may have confusion like sir has written A2, so this is the second term. No, that's A, not A, it's B1. Okay, I think this is the pen. No, okay, yeah, this is the one. So we got A, not A, B1. B1 is negative 8. So they are asking for then the difference between their fourth term is. So let's write the fourth term of this. A4 will be A1 plus 3D, and this fourth term will be B1 plus 3D, right? So A4 minus B4 will be A1 plus 3D minus B1 plus 3D. So both sides we have 3D and 3D will get cancelled. So it is minus 1 of minus 8. That will give you minus 1 plus 8. That will give you plus 7. So we do have the option 7. So answer is C. Okay. The next question that we have, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times an 11th term, then its 18th term will be. So it is saying 7 times of 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term of an AP. So let's write this. A plus 60, we can write it easily. 11 times A plus 10D we can write easily, right? So it will be 7A plus 42D is equal to 11A plus 100 10D, right? Okay, yeah. So now if we take the difference, what we will have this value. Let's transfer this. We have 4D plus, sorry, 4A, not 4D, 4A. If we transfer this to this side, we will have 11A minus 7A plus 110 minus 42D. So we will have how much value? 4A. 4A plus this 10 minus 2 is 8 and 10 minus 4 is 6D, right? So we have 4A plus 68D is 0. So we got this. So if we divide 4 on both sides, what we will get? We will get A plus 17D value is 0. Like if you divide, okay, let's take 4 as common. You will have A plus 17D only. So this value is 0. So if you divide 4 on this side, you will have A plus 17D as 0. So this has asked for 18th term. So A18 will be nothing but A plus 17D, right? So this is 0, which is given to you. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. 4th term from the end of this AP is, so let's okay, so what you can do, if you know things, it will be good for you. If you do not know, we can still write this. Okay, so let's write the difference. -8, negative of -11, that will give you -8 plus 11. So this will be 3. So if you are going forward, it will be positive 3 difference. If you are going backward, it will be the negative 3 difference. Okay, that's it. That is the only thing that you should know. So backward difference will be -3. Okay, so now it is asking 4th term from the, so first term will be from the end will be this 49 plus n minus 1, that is 3 into D. D from the backward is -3. So this will give you 49 minus 9, that will give you 40. Okay, so A4 from the back end or from the other end is 40. So answer is B. Let's do the next question. The famous mathematician associated with finding the sum of the first 100 natural number is Gauss. You know how they find out? Like they have written 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, if you will add all these numbers, it will be very tedious. But what he did, he added 1 and 100. It gave him 101. He added 99 and 2. It gave him 101. He added 3 and 98. It gave him. So like that. So 101 times 50, because 50 pair will be formed. So he got 50, 50. That's the addition of 100 terms. So from there, we associate him like finding the 100 natural numbers to Mr. Gauss. Okay, so question number 19. The first term of an AP is -5. The common difference is 2. The sum of first 6 terms is, okay, so Sn basically 6, S6 they are asking for. So if you know the formula, it will be easy. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So n value is n6. So 6 by 2, 2 times -5 plus n minus 1, that is 5. Difference is 2. So 6 times 2, 6 divided by 2, minus 10 plus 10. This is 3 into 0, that is 0. Okay, so answer is A. That's it, I guess. No, we do have other question. So sum of first 6 terms of the AP is 16th term of the AP is. So as 16 is 16 by 2, 2 times A plus 16 minus 1 is 15 into difference is -4. Okay, so we will have 8 times 20 minus 60. this will be 8 times minus 40, this will be minus 320. So answer is A. Okay, yeah. So the formula of summation you must be knowing, because you are in class 10th and you must have studied. That's why you are watching this video, because in this lesson we are not learning anything new. We are learning how to solve the questions of MCQ type in quick time. Okay, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula that you should know. Yeah, next question. A is given, an is given, Sn is given, then the number of terms it has asked for. Okay, so an is equal to, okay, if you know the formula of Sn in terms of A and An, that will be good. Let's write down Sn. Sn will be, okay, Sn will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you know. Let's modify this formula. So you can write a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So this is nothing but an. So you can write n by 2 a plus an is equal to Sn. Sn value you know, 399 is equal to n value you don't know, n by 2, and a value you know, and an value you know. Okay, so let's write n into 21, 399 into 2. Okay, 399 into 2 divided by 21 is equal to n, right? So if you divide by 3, it will give you 7. If you divide by 3, it will give you 133. If you divide by 7, it will give you 19. So 19 times 2 will give you 38, right? So answer is 38. Yeah. Question number 18. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So you can add this way, but let's use the formula. Sn, like S5, they are asking for 5 terms. First term is 3, so 2 times 3 plus 5 into 1 is, sorry, 5 minus 1 is 4, difference is 3. So you will get 5 by 2 and 6 plus 12. That will give you 5 by 2 into 18. This will get divided. 9, 5 times 9 is nothing but 45, right? So if you add, let's add 3 plus 15, that will be 18. 6 plus 12, 18, 18, 18, 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. So yeah, the answer is A, 45. That's it. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, and if it helped you, please subscribe and share among your friends. That's it from our end. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be responding it as fast as possible. Okay, like once I saw, I will definitely respond. Okay, but I will be quickest. Bye, take care.